that this Indian team is all about attacking and they want all players to do that. And that's the philosophy that they live by. So now, if I keep that in mind, who fulfills that philosophy more for me at this moment? Is it Sanju Samson or is it Shubman Gill? And the answer to that will be Sanju Samson. Having said that, I don't think he utilized this opportunity very well because we still also live in the day and age of talking about what is a knock that's made an impact. And I think 37s at this strike rate will never be that knock. Abhishek Sharma, why do we talk about it? It's not just his strike rate because he's given you those scores. He scored hundreds in the IPL. He scored big knocks for India, 70s, 80s. That is what makes Abhishek. Today we're talking about Hardik Pandya as being one of the major reasons alongside Jasprit Bumrah for India winning because he's got that knock, 60, 70 odd knock at that strike rate. So I think that is something that Sanju needs to keep in mind. If he had got a 50 plus today at that strike rate, boom, he would have made a statement. 37 is what I said can go under the radar. Having said that, as I said, personally, I think Sanju is showing that intent, which is more suited. Nothing against Shubman. He's a fine batter. He is your test captain. He is your ODI captain. I think he has a long future for Indian cricket. Aesthetically so good. He is a team man, everything. But I think for the needs of the team right now, if I had to pick, it's a tough choice. But I think right now you'd have to say that Sanju Samson is suited slightly more to the demands of the Indian team. But what I would like at the moment, in terms of what the Indian team does going forward, is that a Sanju Samson be given a few more chances going forward. You can't have a Sanju Samson play this one game and then not be available for games going forward. So I think this debate is not settled. For me, I mentioned this earlier as well. For me, it was a hunch that Shubman, more than being rested because of an injury, has been rested to give Sanju Samson a chance, because I think somewhere deep down the team management also realized that Shubman Gill experiment hasn't really worked for them, and they also need to test out a Sanju Samson so that by the time they reach the T20 World Cup, they have absolutely the best option going forward.